Imagine you are the one in 5,000 people who cannot burn fat to get energy. It means you can't go too long without eating, you can't play sports without feeding for your life. You are someone with a fatty acid oxidation disorder or an FAOD. This group of diseases, ulcerating in the liver, are hereditary disorder caused by mutation. Until today, there is no cure for the disease. You have to avoid exercise and eat specific meals regularly. Imagine living like that. Then you might ask yourself, how long can I go without eating? Can I never do any exercise? To answer your question, we are trying to figure out the specific characteristic of the disease, which can give clues as to whether you have a severe condition or not, by using samples from patients or animals which have similar condition like yours.
It's not as simple as just slicing you open in order to see what's going on inside of your liver, however. That, and we would like to limit the amount of suffering caused by doing unnecessary animal experiments. Using data gathered in the lab, we can reconstruct the human liver inside of a computer. This can help us to simulate what happens when fat is broken down in order to anticipate the results of experiments before actually doing them. This can save a lot of time, money, not to mention patient and animal suffering caused by doing unnecessary experiments.
You may wonder how can computer tell you what's happening inside your liver? Well, your body contains different type of fats which change over time as you eat, exercise, etc. To track these changes, we use maths. Mathematical equations and computer softwares are used to simulate these changes over time. Putting together these equations, we obtain experiments without a lab. The outcomes of these simulations are used to advise doctors and experimentalists.
When studying a disease, it's really important to understand how things naturally work in your body. Computer simulation can get us a quick and approximative idea, but still need to be confirmed. The next step is trying to reproduce in a test tube what actually happened in your liver, studying all the players involved in fat processing, and trying to obtain all the possible molecules involved in the transformation of fat into energy. The data obtained from this experiment will improve computer studies and will lead us closer and closer to the key factors that may tell us how big your risk is.
To design the correct experiments and computer simulations, we need to know what has been done. With the dramatic increase in available data scattered on the internet, it's not easy to search and filter the right information. However, computer scientists can provide useful tools that more efficiently find the relevant information from the literature. It is with these tools, computer simulations, experiments, and better understanding of the literature that we're trying to improve the ability of doctors to determine how at risk FAOD patients are and how to treat them. These three approaches all feed off and complement each other in an endeavor called systems medicine. With a lot of hard work, a little bit of luck, system medicine might one day help FAOD patients lead a more normal life.